Hello students, welcome to Swapna physics classes. In this lecture, I am going to explain you one more important question for your TS IPE second year examination. And the question is, derive the equation for the couple acting on a electric dipole in a uniform electric field. Couple acting is nothing but a torque. Couple is nothing but a torque acting on a electric dipole when it is placed in a uniform electric field. And what is an electric dipole? It is a pair of equal and opposite charges. The pair of equal and opposite charges. That means one of the charge is a positive charge and the other charge is a negative charge. These charges are separated by a distance of 2a. These charges are separated by a distance of 2a. The distance between these two charges is 2a. Right? This acts as a electric dipole. This acts as a electric dipole. Whenever you place this electric dipole in a uniform electric field, if this is the uniform electric field which is denoted with E, and I am just placing this dipole in this electric field. This is minus charge and this is a plus charge. This electric dipole makes an angle theta with this electric field, right? And as these two charges are opposite to each other, one is a positive charge and the other is a negative charge, but are equal in magnitude. But both the charges are equal in magnitude. The force due to the electric field acting on this charge is the force acting on the charge, positive charge, is equal to Q into E. Because of this electric field, there will be a force acted upon this charge Q and is equal to QE, and the force acted upon the negative charge is equal to minus QE due to the electric field. As a result, what happens? Both the charges are opposite to each other, therefore both the forces are opposite to each other and they are anti-parallel to each other. The direction of the force is opposite to each other and they are anti-parallel to each other. Anti-parallel means nothing but the direction is opposite to each other. The direction of the force is opposite to each other. This force is due to minus charge. This force is due to minus charge. This force is due to plus charge, right? Both the forces are opposite to each other. Therefore, as a result, what happens? This electric dipole starts rotating about its axis. If this is the axis of this electric dipole, it starts rotating about its axis. And as a result, torque is generated. As a result, torque is generated. Torque is generated. Whenever a body rotates about its axis, what happens? There will be an momentum. There will be a momentum for this body, and opposite to this momentum along the axis, there will be a torque. There will be a torque acted upon this body about this axis, right? And what is this torque? The torque is a multiplication of the perpendicular distance between two anti-parallel forces, and the force acted upon each charge. Force acted upon each charge. The torque definition is the multiplication of the perpendicular distance between two anti-parallel forces and the force acted upon each charge. Here, what is the perpendicular distance in this diagram? This is the perpendicular distance between these two forces, right? The force due to plus charge is in this direction and the force due to negative charge is in this direction, right? This is the perpendicular distance between these two charges, right? And I am taking it as BC. I am taking it as BC, and here we have A. Now, if you observe this figure, we have a triangle ABC. We have a triangle ABC, and from triangle ABC, what is sine theta? Sine theta. This is the triangle ABC, and this distance is 2a. Here we have theta, right? Sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Therefore, from figure triangle ABC, sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse is 2a. Therefore, this BC is equal to 2a sine theta. Keep it in a box. Okay, and torque is denoted with tau. Torque is denoted with tau, which is equal to, what is the perpendicular distance between the forces we have? It is BC. BC into the force acted upon each charge is E into Q. Q into E or E into Q. Okay, and what is BC? We have 2a sine theta. You just substitute in this equation. Therefore, tau is equal to 2a sine theta into E into Q, right? Therefore, the torque tau is equal to 2a Q into E sine theta, into E sine theta. And what is 2 into AQ? This is the dipole momentum. P is equal to 2a into Q, right? Dipole momentum P bar equal to 2a into Q. You just substitute in this equation. Therefore, we have torque tau is equal to PE sine theta. PE sine theta. Okay, if you remove the sine theta, we will have P cross E. P cross E. Torque is equal to P cross E. From vector product, cross product. What is a vector product? A cross B can be written as AB sine theta. Okay, P sine theta is nothing but P cross E. Torque is a vector, momentum is a vector, and electric field is a vector, right? This equation indicates that the direction of the torque is perpendicular to the plane containing P and E. Okay, the torque direction is perpendicular to the plane containing P and E. If this is the electric field we have and this is the momentum we have, the direction of the torque is this one, right? The direction of the torque is perpendicular to this plane P and E, right? This is the torque direction. Here I will end our lecture, and whoever didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also share with maximum number of people. Okay, bye.